Good morning, guys. It is 7:10 in the morning Central Time, so 8:10 in the morning Eastern Time. Different time from what I traded yesterday around 3 a.m. The reason is because I do work, and currently I am working overnight. Sometimes I do work days, but sometimes I do work overnight. And so when I work overnight, I trade at a later time in the day. Usually I get off around 6 a.m. So I try to be in the markets around normally 8 a.m. Uh, like I said, work ran a little over today, so we want to go ahead and basically talk about talk about some updates and trades and updates that I have gotten into new trades. So as you can see, I have taken a long trade on the pound dollar. Now, yesterday and going into today, it's kind of been going up and down, but we have recently created a new higher low. This was a low right here. As you see, price pulled up, creating out a higher low, and now retracing up, breaking recent highs. So I am expecting a bullish move upwards towards this pair. Um, I don't really like to take profits. I like to just trail my stops because I like to ride the trade as long as possible. So as I have in GU, we want to look at euro. Euro's doing pretty good. Euro dollar, I said now it's ending up around 31, almost $32. I talked about this level yesterday in my video and in the group chat in the Telegram channel. As you guys can see here, I talked about this euro dollar trade right here. I talked about that this level could be a potential level to get into to ride the wave back up on the euro dollar. And as we see, that is happening, came down to this level, almost tick perfect basically, and then just now rallied up. So we are sitting good. I have moved stops now moved stops. Sorry, I moved stops into this new area of resistance. Like I said, we do have this level right here that I'm looking at. If it wants to break, okay, I'll get out. Quick little stop, and we'll just try to look for a re-entry into the long position. If not, and price wants to keep going up, I'll keep trailing stops. Next area I want to try to put my stops is somewhere around here. We kind of need to get up to this level around the 1459s, 1456s level. But like I said, still holding on to this trade, not letting go anytime soon. It gave me no reason to sell this trade. We want to go look into the Aussie New Zealand dollar. Like I said, basically since Thanksgiving, I've been in this trade day before Thanksgiving right here, and it's just been going up and down, up and down, up and down. We do see that I do have this box drawn up. If we could break below this level, I will move stops to around 1.0444, around that level. But until that happens, I'm not moving stops. We're just gonna let this trade play out. It's like I said, we are in a consolidation. The price been going up and down, basically for the last 3 days. So it's a little frustrating with this trade. But like I said, we just gotta wait. We just gotta see, wait. We go into the USD Canadian dollar. Now this trade is kind of taking a hit. Look at this. We almost stopped out. I don't know if we will get stopped out, but I mean we was like maybe what's the high of this candle? 128, 125. Oh yeah, so around 4 pips from being taken out in the overnight session, but now price is starting to push back down. Hopefully we can see momentum push back down in the USD CAD, seeing some weak dollar coming into the market and seeing some prices pushed down. That's what we want to see. I said if we end up getting stopped out, and I said we end around like a 2% loss just on this Canadian dollar trade, not a big deal. Got the Japanese yen. Nice little sell off off this level yesterday. We had this little push up and then we pushed all the way back down. And then so I got in around this candle, around this entry. Once I seen price starting to really like fail this recent bounce, you can see this level is broken through, but this level still has a pretty good balance, resistance. I mean support, became resistance, back to support, bounced, rallied up, came all the way back down, hit the line again and rallied all the way up, and now we're back down. So I do see, like I said, I felt like it was gonna go down today. And it went down, like I said, pretty drastically. I mean, we moved what, maybe from entry, we're all the way almost 90 pips, 90 pips in profit. So that's definitely nice. Like I said, I'm locking in some games. I locked in around maybe, I locked in about 40, 45, 40 pips, something like that in profit. So if I'm looking at this new level, like I said, we did bounce and rally. So if we do bounce, if we could have a chance to bounce from this level again and push up, I just want to collect my wins and keep looking for the next trade. If it wants to continue down, like I said, I will try my stops. I don't have a take profit on my trades at all, but I do have areas of interest of where I'm probably looking to at least close or could see a possible reaction. And we see one at 1.10, I mean 110.815. If it gets to that level, I can see a bounce, but like I said, I'm not gonna trail no stops. I'm gonna trail my stops, and if my stop loss gets hit, then that's it. If it don't, like I said, we're just gonna keep moving down to keep collecting this bread. So those are all the trades I'm in. US dollar, Japanese yen for sale, working out right now. Euro dollar also working out right now. For a long trade, USC, the Canadian dollar versus the US dollar. Like I said, we are finding pressure coming back down once again. Hopefully this can continue down and I don't get stopped out. But I said if I do, it is what it is. But we're looking for price to push down. Now, like I said, I do have alerts set to, like, if we get down to this level, I can probably see a bounce happening again. But until that happens, we don't know. Like I said, on Aussie New Zealand dollar is waving up and down in profit, going from red to green, red to green, red to green every single day. Nothing really interested. Still short bias just because the overall trend, as you can see, is down. So I'm just trying to see if we could catch a little bit of that wave down. If not, like I said, we will get stopped out. I believe for maybe around like 2% loss, maybe 3%. So a total, like I said, AUD and USD CAD, if both of those lose, probably around 5% loss. GBP USD, like I said, we are pushing up. Like, I'm not gonna really move my stops until we can really clear this level. Once we really start clearing this level, then I'll start to either move my stops to break even or at least right under this zone where I got marked up. And like I said, we just don't sit here and wait. So now that we got all my forex trading sessions done, let's go ahead and hop into the binary option side of things and let's see if we can make some money today. Now, like I said, yesterday it was real sloppy. I broke my rules. Not happening today. I don't care if I have a red day. I'm not breaking my rules. I'm not increasing my trade limit. Not no more, because that trade could have easily went against me and my account would have been blown yesterday on my first video, and I refuse to let that happen. I refuse to let y'all guys see that happen. I refuse for that to even really happen to me again. So right now, like I said, we're gonna look for some trades, see if there's some trading opportunities to come. But okay, but for as of right now, yesterday's video I talked about, I was like 36 trades. I was like, I didn't know I didn't take that many, but I wasn't questioning the broker. That was just, I guess, from the overall from the month trading. But if we go to yesterday, right? As I had 14 trades, won seven trades, only made about $36.60. 50%. But like as y'all saw yesterday's session, very, very sloppy, very bad risk management. So we're gonna try to do better today. Not try, we will do better today. And I am going to let you guys know when I do see a trade setup happening. But for as of right now, I really don't see one. We could have a possible GU trade. If the bulls can hold this up for right now. But until I really see something, I don't really see a long play in euro dollar for binary options right now, just because I said we got trim line touches on the minute chart. My EMA is a very tight, very tight price range right here. So I'm not really looking for no trades in the euro dollar right now. But maybe if we could see red and maybe push down, maybe I could try to get some sales in, or maybe if we end up pushing this up, pushing the trend line up, then maybe look for some type of retest back into the following momentum. But if that doesn't happen, like I said, no really trade on euro dollar right now for the American session. Pound, like I said, pound session, like I said, it could be optional too. Kind of the same trend line going down thing, but we gonna see. We gonna see. I'm gonna let you guys know. All right. Okay, we do. Okay, the euro did end up pushing up. We do see maybe a potential buy opportunity in the pound dollar around the 133405 level. Yeah, at the 133405 level. Maybe if we could get somewhere, like I said, we see a little bit of bouncing pressure from here. Maybe if we could get down to that level, I'll take a buy position. Definitely would take a buy position if we could get down to that level. Euro dollar could have a possible buy coming up. We shall see. I will take an up position for that trade right there because I know, yeah, I would like to take a buy position for that trade. So first trade of the day, we'll see how this trade goes. Like I said, we are kind of like bouncing up, nice little pressure. So we shall see. 30 seconds left on this trade. Right now, like I said, the trade is looking good. Good little bounce off of that area. Six seconds left. And that's a bag right there. Yes, sir. Starting off the day right. 1-0. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good trade. Good trade. Man, we could. I will go long again. As you can see, price is starting to push up. Maybe we start to see maybe we'll push back up into. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. The euro dollar. Where are we getting at? 428. Wow, it's at right there at the level too. That's crazy. It's at right at that level. All right, so 1-1 on the day. If price wants to push up, we're not gonna stop it. It's a 1-1 on the day. Ooh, can we get a pull down real quick? About 30 seconds left on this trade. I said right now we're 1-1. Ten seconds left. Okay, cleared. So far we're up $7 on the day. It's actually moving pretty fast. I ain't even paused the video yet. So right now, like I said, we're 2-1. Maybe we have a trade on the pound dollar. Like I said, it came down. Like I said, we kind of like, I don't really like this price action that we're doing right now. Really, with both pairs, to be honest. So we just gonna wait and see. We're just gonna wait and see. I will update you when I have another trade. We could have a trade, a trade on the euro dollar, looking to see if we could, push momentum up. So we have a trade that if we could go higher, I'm willing to take. It even seems like we are selling off to maybe try to sell at this level. As we can see, this level does have, we see multiple directions from this session. So we probably try to get a quick 1 minute sell trade in there, but price just rejected right now. So we're still gonna wait, all about patience, my friends. All about patience. As you see, like I said, it's making a strong trend up. So I do believe we could see a sell coming up pretty soon. I do believe we could reach that. So I'll put mine on if we could get past. Ooh, let me go down real quick. Let it come down. Yeah, no, okay. Yeah, now we want to take a sell. 1 minute. Let's say we touch that price. Will we break through it completely? And like I said, my entry was 13666. What's that gonna make us if we lose this trade? 2-2 if we lose this trade. 3-1 if we win. Like I said, only time will tell. 25 seconds left on the clock. It seems like this area is pushing down exactly like I wanted to. For right now, like I said, for right now at least. It's pushing up. Okay. Like I said, we end up losing that. 2-2 on the day. Very sloppy. Yeah, I'm looking for another retest of trying. May happen if we push all the way up to 3724. Haven't really it gave us a reason to sell yet. We are going to be watching this though. We are going to be watching this. What's that? 372? Or it's 373? I mean, that type of movement, we was looking right there. We said trade didn't happen. Oh man, another little trade, little sloppy little trade session. Now down $3 on the day. $3. Um, tell you what, if this candle closes red and we start to low, we're gonna push up again. We don't see. Let's see if it wants to go back under and sell even more. We're not gonna stop it. Pushing up again on euro dollar. Also as well on pound dollar. Okay, we're pushing that 726 level. See if we can continue that upward pressure. If this trade end up losing, this will be the last trade of the day. About 35 seconds left on the clock. We did push up. So, like I said, it looks like this might be a losing trade. 10 seconds left. Yeah. So today, like I said, we got first losing trading session. 2 and 3 account down to 137. Around $13 loss. So like I said, very sloppy. 1, 2, like I said, very sloppy. But we here to protect the account, not lose the account. Right? That's the goal. I did think maybe we could have seen continuation pushing up since we did hit that support level, which I should have bought. But we hit that support level and didn't hold the rally. So I think euro dollar could be falling down from this point. I don't know how long, but I do think it could be going down. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's trading session, guys. Like I said, we're down $13 on the day. Like I said, we had 100, we was at 150, and now we're at 137. So we're still up in the account, guys. Good things are coming to happen with this channel. Y'all gonna see, we're gonna make this bread. And I said, as in my normal forex trading, my trades are doing pretty well. We're about to be actually in profit on the pound dollar pretty soon coming in. So definitely nice to see. Euro dollar, doing fucking spectacular. I'm not gonna lie, doing amazing. Let's check out the other pairs before we go. There we go, like that. UJ also working perfectly so far right now. Looking to break these recent lows, going down maybe to see some maybe support around this level around the 112. We'll keep watch on these trades. UCAD still losing, but his pressure is pushing down. The Aussie New Zealand dollar, as you can see, price has done really nothing. But I will keep you guys updated on these trades tomorrow. Stay tuned. All right, guys.